Did you know that peanuts aren't just a snack? They are superfood packed with power. They are small but mighty. And today we are diving into the world of these tiny, crunchy wonders. The list of ingredients and measurements I used for this recipe will be in the description box below. So after mixing your egg, sugar, salt, and flavor, you keep that aside and then you get your bowl of granola. You are to add a spoon of your egg mixture and then you shake very well just as seen in this video. Once the egg mixture has circulated, has touched the granules very well, then you sprinkle your flour and then you shake again. You are to repeat this process until your granite is well coated. The secret to achieving a smooth peanut is mixing your egg, sugar, your flavor, your salt together. Enjoy the process. At this point, I had to transfer it into another bowl. Fry on medium heat until golden brown. Ensure you stir at interval.